How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. My lens is dirty. That should be better. How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. Just a quick video. I wanted to film this video because there's a particular item here that I've had making a video short, and I wanted to kind of make this full video on a particular Vietnamese dish called Nem. Check it out, everybody. Oh, let's go. I wanted to film this dish, even though I just have it's just a bag, really, not not a lot, but this right here is just amazing. It's seriously becoming one of my favorite Vietnamese comfort foods. It's called Nem, and one author writes this about it. Dorsey says, this Vietnamese version of a popular Southeast Asian cured pork preparation is tangy, salty, and loaded with funky, spicy, and fragrant flavors of raw garlic, bird's eye chilies, and both black and white peppercorns. It's Nem Chua, I believe, Nem Chua, the cured pork. We're gonna try this out here. I'm gonna eat this and make a food vlog. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's pretty late right now, but I wanted to eat this Nem Chua. All right, let's bring this over here. I'm gonna put this in a bowl. Okay. Alright, got a bowl. I'm trying to open up with one hand. It's very challenging. Alright, pour it in here. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Nem. Delicious. Let's get right to it. Here we go. Alright, so we have the Nem. Just take a look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my hands. And you can just have it just like this. I mean, I'm sure you can have it with like rice or noodles, but I like to have this almost like beef jerky style, I guess. A texture of sausage. It's cold, and that's how you eat it. And what else? Yeah, let's dig right in. Let's give this a try. Let's take that piece of garlic. I'll put it on top of there. I'll take that bite with the garlic. Okay. Nem Chua. And bite. Oh wow. That flavor just keeps on giving. Sweet, tangy. The peppers from the peppercorn. There's like some peppercorns in there. Pepper, the brininess to it, and that texture. Like a sausage, a cold sausage, with so much giving flavor. Man, that is just, it does keep giving. And that garlic, yeah, that raw garlic complements it. Fantastic. Oh man. Wow. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this yet, you definitely need to try it. Oh, it is so good. Yeah, to me, it's like one of the best Vietnamese comfort foods. Very fragrant. That garlic, the black and white peppercorns. I love it. I love peppercorns. And yeah, I love that texture. Okay, another bite. Add another piece of garlic on top of that one. And bite. I thought about eating the whole thing, but you really just want to like savor every piece. Don't rush it. This is a food, this is like a dish to me that you don't want to rush. You want to enjoy every morsel, every bite. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, there's sweetness to that. But the complexity of the flavors is out of this world. Like I said, you get tangy, salty, spicy. Yeah, like all in one. And it's not overwhelming too. Like it kind of balances out with each other. And the couple with that garlic, that definitely is a must-have addition. All right, here we go. Bite. Oh. I wouldn't mind having like a piece of chili, like a Thai chili pepper. I think that's something that they add too. If you want to have some Thai chili peppers, there are some peppers here. You can see that piece of red right there. Probably from the Thai chili peppers, but I would have like a big bite and chase it with a Thai pepper, but I don't have that right now. But there are shards of Thai pepper. Let me put the garlic on top of that one. This is a big one too. This is a chunky piece right here. Wow. All right. All right, let's do this, man. Gong hei flat choi. Chuk mong namoy. Happy New Year. Bite. Wow. Wow. So good. Yeah, I can just snack on this all night. But we're gonna finish this up. And a piece of garlic. Oh wow. Like, I'm gonna have to ask my friend's mom to, like, I would show you the making of it. I hear it takes a long time to prepare. Like, you really have to have the culinary expertise to prepare this dish. You know, one day I'll hopefully put that on video, show you the making of Nem Chua. Right now you're watching the eating of Nem Chua. A fatty piece right here. Just gonna load that up. Just gonna load this piece up with so much garlic. All right. Bite. Down to the final giant piece here. All right, guys. So I think I will just one biter this one. This is a pretty chunky piece, but I'm gonna one biter this one for you guys. But enjoy every chew, that's for sure. Man. All right, here we go. Last bite. And bite. Yep. And that'll do it. Alright, this was just a quick video. I'm not sure how long this one's gonna be. Real short video of Nem Chua, a Vietnamese street food dish. I'd say so. But no, that's about it. Well, calling it a night here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.